part 4 we will change the depth of that cabinet, so that that cabinet is corresponding with, now it is 42, it has to correspond then with what the user has added as size for depth. And now it is 42 because we have now in front of that cabinet this door here. So if you want to change the total depth, you have to change the value of this depth and this one here also. And the location of this one has to do 2 centimeters behind. So in total should it be 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters shorter, everything. We can begin with the location of that door. If you click on door, the door, voila. What we do have here is -2 because we have changed the location. Let me see. If I double click on my component, you'll see that the 0 point is here, and this is -2, the location -2. I want now that this one is starting really there. And in that case, if I change it in 0, this one equals 0, you will see this is okay, but now it is these parts here are too long because they are now inside the door, the underside also. So I have to change this one in a shorter version, less depth, -2, and also the location of that part. That location should change in a location 2 centimeters in front of this one, of the door. Look, we go to our component here. In that case, the door is already finished, so I close the door. I go to that vertical part. This is the part I can see here. This vertical part. Look, that's the location. In my case here, this direction. Now, for the moment, is that a 0, and this is the 0 point. But I want now that it is starting here. Here in that case, here in that location. So I change that location in 2, equal 2. And this is already better for the moment. But because I changed it in 2, it is go 2 centimeters too far behind the total length of depth of the cabinet. So I have to change the total depth of that part with 2 centimeters. So here in this case, the depth is equal to the depth I have already, -2. And now it is okay if I make this size, if I take size of the total, now I have 40. So I have to do that for this horizontal one also. So I close the vertical one, I take the horizontal one. I see in my case that he is starting position here in green direction on 0. Now I want to have it on 2 centimeters. So you can see it now here. Starting from here, it is now starting on the right direction, but the size of the depth is 2 centimeters too much. So I take here the depth in the size and I put -2, and it's okay. Now look for the backside of that, the location of the backside. If this is still okay, I think so. We can make a test. You can change the depth to 50, by example. If you take 50, I see the backside goes with the rest, and that's okay. Height is also okay, I think. Look, 90, yes. Depth 60, 50, yeah, that's okay. And now it is finished. It is done. So I have a cabinet where I can click on the door and the door goes open. I click on